2019 Chevrolet Silverado. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as backup camera, Bluetooth, power outlet, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, V6 engine, MP3 player, tire pressure monitor, front split bench seat. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.